Hello, welcome back to the channel again, or welcome to the channel again. Today, Dad's playing with some 1420s. So yeah, we're just busy with these wheels, 1420s off the Scammells, or spares for Scammells. And they've been sitting in our yard for God knows how long. And you can tell they're kind of grim, as they usually are. They've been brush painted all their life. And that one's pretty grim. So Dad's just busy blasting them now. Any good squid, and he's just going to put some paint on it to get them cleaned up and looking a bit nicer. After some humping even, they're in here. Yeah, you can see why they need doing. State of this one. And here's these ones all done. That one's done. That one's done. Sorted. We're just reading this one. It's got the water department stamp on it still. And also, it looks like it has a really early dot code of the 15th week of 1948. I think these ones?
Nah, I don't think it is actually.
32? That's... Could it be 32?
Can it be 1932? Possible, like,
possible, yeah. Well, Dad's in the oven at the minute, just squirting some primer on the wheels. I'll quickly go and show that. There you go, he's doing that. And then they're going to come out looking like these two. These were two we did yesterday. Well, Dad did yesterday, I've been busy. Look at that, lovely man. So much better than rusty scabbiness that it was. The tractor, you usually can't get anywhere. It's just nice. Yep. Getting to use my new toys, my new bipod. Just plonk that there. I'll let you watch Dad do the paint the wheels and tyres. Ta-da! Look at that. Lovely. This is a Bedford RL wheel that we're trying to line in the yard. Just painted that, and jerry can carrier. Lovely. Here's some spare rims we got. These are just loose rims. We've got a tyre that came off that one. It's around the back, and we're going to build it up onto another rim, probably this one. We haven't seen them. Well, I think I've seen one or two with the hooks on, but you never really see them. That's interesting. I think that's for chains and stuff, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it. If you know, let us know in the comments below. Here's the other one. Dad's just building it up now. Just not in the right place, so you can see the holes not right in the place. Just so together, so you don't lose. Just so you don't lose the nuts and misplace other bits, because we managed to. So we got, if you count, 1 back, 2 back, 1 front. Yeah, it's being placed in the yard somewhere, so we'll find that and then paint it green as well. Dad's just gonna gun them up when he gets the right size, just to keep them in place, and then we'll go and hide them away and hopefully at some point soon get tyres on them. Just to lubricate the threads as they're going doing, because you do want to pick up a thread. That's the RL wheel done as well. Looking nice and shiny. Well, not shiny and new, but looking new. Scammell wheels all done and dusted. So I think that'll be the end of this one. The RL wheel is going to be for sale because we don't have an RL, and it's lying in the yard, so might as well be sold. And I think that's about it for the minute. If you like the wagons, playing with the wagons, there's a video coming up with this very soon with quite a major problem that's just happened, and you'll see in the video. And it's now immobile for a bit until I fix it. But don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell button. Don't worry, subscription is free. So yeah, hope you enjoy the videos and feel free to comment and all that magical stuff. We'll see you all soon.